Okay, so we need to insert a spot drill process, okay, into this tooling. I've already pre-selected all of the internal holes here. They should look pink. Yep, they're all pink. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up here. We're gonna go to this drilling tool path. Your cut depth, we're only gonna cut a depth of approximately, we're only going to put a cut depth of approximately 2. So we're only going to go down a little bit. Actually, we're only going to go down about 1. So we can make sure that that's only going down 0.1. So we're not going all the way through the material, but it gives us a good depth because we're only going a quarter, this material is only a 1/4 inch thick. Okay, and we calculate that, and it's gonna. You can see that it's gonna run around and do that. The other thing that we want to do is we want to reorder this, so we're gonna move that drill process up to the top, so it puts that piece in here. The other thing is it's not a drill process, so we're gonna rename this, and we're probably gonna just call it spot drill, and I'm going to go 0.1 because it's going to be a depth of 0.1, and generally what you do is you put a small d in front of that just so that that's a depth of 0.1. The rest of these don't have a depth, so that means they're more than likely cutting all the way through, and so that's what we want to make sure that we're doing. And so then this is the process right here, and you can see that that's all lined up right there. And so we have all of those wonderful things. What we're going to do now is we're going to close this, so we have a spot drill. The only thing we need to do is check, edit, and it said that it was tool 7, okay? And we need to go over to the machine here, check where the spot drill is, okay? And we have our spot drill right here. Again, this is just a small little drill that makes a little spot where we're going to make sure that the real drill that we want follows it in and gets a nice piece. That's going to be tool number 5. Okay, so that's tool number 5, and so we want to make sure that we have that aligned appropriately here, so it grabs number 5 when it's doing this. Okay, so we're going to do that. It has a dwell time of 0.5 seconds for each drill, so that means it's basically going to go down, sit there for a half a second. We probably don't need that, so we're going to probably go to 0.2 seconds, just so it's down and go, down and go. The safe position is 1 inch above, and we're all good with that, so we're going to calculate. We've got that done. If we believe we have everything done appropriately, and we want all of this to be done simultaneously or one after the other, what we're going to do is we're going to save this tool path. It is a ShopSabre ATC Speed Arc Inch Tap. You'll see that it goes 5, then 7, then 1. Those are all correct. It's going to output all of those things. Again, you can see this in another video. So we're going to save this. This is the file that we're making. It's going to overwrite an existing file because it's replacing one that doesn't include that spot drill. We're going to say yes. And now we've created that part, and we've got that file right here in order to get things going. So we're going to make sure we have that ready to go for the next step in the process, so we can zero out our machine and get going. See you in the next video.